G'day, I'm Dean from Brandt. I work for John Deere and I'm a field mechanic. This is my Hidrive Ranger Ute. Firstly, inside here, which is really good, we've got the Redarc 1500 watt inverter that runs off the battery pack in here. It's got all the drawers to keep all the stock in, nice and deep, trays for the bits and pieces, rubberized floor so nothing slides around. Water tank to wash your hands at the end of the job. We've got a 20 metre retractable air hose, heavy duty air hose on the back, which is really handy. Got the storage drawer on the back, which going to hit that car, but it goes full length of the tray, you can keep a lot of stuff in there. Nice bright LED lights, fold down vise, heavy duty vise, which is really good. Plenty of room inside, big toolbox, drawers. Got extra space to hang stuff. We've got the map lights, work lights. Got the electric start compressor with a pull start on the side in case we get a flat battery. Gives you plenty of room. This one obviously needs another toolbox here. There's more room for more space, but putting that on the side is the ultimate because you get more room at the back. And yeah, fantastic, in love with it. So I recommend Hidrive. So firstly,